Hello everyone, my name is Saif Ali Siddiqui and I am working as an application engineer with Beacon India. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can edit mesh data in SolidWorks and export your 3D CAD data in STL format for additive manufacturing processes like 3D printing. Many a times engineers and designers working with mesh data or 3D scan files are in dilemma. Can we edit mesh data directly or can it be processed further? So we will see how exactly we can edit mesh data and convert the 3D CAD file in STL. Here we will be learning how in SolidWorks 2020 we can edit mesh data directly by adding features. We will export our model to STL file, see different export settings available for STL file, and finally we will compare the mesh quality to improve the parts which are produced by 3D printing. The need to directly edit mesh geometry like this STL file is becoming more common. Filleting edges is now possible using same workflow as a native SolidWorks file. You can even change the fillet to a chamfer and vice versa. SolidWorks 2020 now supports more advanced editing tools which will make it easy to increase the radius of this surface. We'll start by offsetting mesh surface and extending results. You can also apply mutual trim as well. It is not uncommon for STL files to be damaged. Running a quick geometry check shows there is an open surface. You can now delete holes by right-clicking and choosing Delete Hole from the context menu, or by simply selecting edges and pressing Delete. SolidWorks 2019 introduced Delete Faces. SolidWorks 2020 expands the capability to support delete and fill, which make removing these features on the part a trivial operation. SolidWorks 2020 gives you a powerful tool that makes editing mesh geometry familiar and easy. In this part of our video, we will see how to export our CAD data to mesh files such as STL, and we will compare the different mesh files obtained by varying the system settings. I have jar model that has number of edges on it, which make this part intricate. We'll go to system options, under which we have an export category. We have different file formats available here like 3MF, AMF, STL. We will choose STL cause it is more commonly used. Thereafter I will use binary to have small file output, unit as millimeter. Here comes the important part, that is resolution, which controls the finish of your product. Then we have coarse, where you can see the facets. Fine, which increases the deviation and number of triangle. Also it is used for regular jobs. For perfect finish, the job must choose custom. Here deviation is meant to control the global mesh and angle to provide fine details. Once you are done with it, save the settings. Then you need to save as your part as STL file. I already have this mesh file produced. Let us have a look. We have the coarse one with not too many triangles and hence details are missing. And on the other hand, I have the fine which is accurately detailed. Last thing we wanted to do here for the proof of concept is print these files out. So we have some photos of them here. In this case, you can see the coarse version having less number of facets, not much smooth. And then we have superfine version, much smoother, nice looking, and that's impressive. With SolidWorks Visualize, turn your 3D CAD data into photo quality images, animations and interactive 3D contents that bring your products to life. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon for more updated contents. Thanks for watching.